All parties in the matter of St. Armand versus Fuller. Step forward.
Tim and Carey St. Armand are suing auto repair shop owners Todd and Toby Fuller for the return of a deposit on a car and punitive damages for emotional distress.
Mr. and Mrs. St. Armand, let me tell you that there's only one part of your lawsuit that I'm going to entertain. The portion of the lawsuit that I'm going to entertain has to do with the car deposit. Do you understand?
Yes, I do.
I'm not dealing with a side deal to move earth with your Bobcat machine and your pain and suffering because you didn't get the car back on time. What I'm dealing with is one thing, and you may take the rest of the matters that I have not dealt with back to your local small claims court. Do you understand?
Okay.
You purchased a car from which one of these two defendants?
Todd and Toby Fuller.
Both of them?
Yes,
And the
Your Honor.
car was an old car, 2006?
Yes.
You were purchasing the car, which is part of your business?
No, ma'am.
Was it a car that you owned for your own driving use?
No, ma'am.
So you buy and sell cars for a business, or you're in the mechanics business?
We're in the mechanics business.
Okay. And where did you get this car from that you sold to the defendants?
We had a customer that decided not to do the repairs. Car was still in great shape, so we purchased it from them.
You purchased
on
it
a personal level.
The car needed repairs. You had diagnosed the car. Perfect. I love this. A boring case is getting better. So, a man, Mr. Jones, came in with his 2006, what kind of car?
Chevy Impala.
And Mr. Smith came in with the car when? Month and year?
About February of 2017.
And the car was having problems or wasn't running?
It was running, but the transmission was out. It would not move.
So you couldn't drive it?
Right.
Well, what's the
correct.
point in having a car if you can't drive it? And you did a diagnostic on the car, and you told him what was wrong with the car?
Yes, sir.
What
ma'am.
What did you tell him was wrong with the car? You're a mechanic. You said, this is what's wrong with your car.
Yes,
and
ma'am. We told him the transmission was out and it would need replacement.
Anything else wrong with the car?
At that point, we had...
Just a second. Not at that point. Guy brings in his car, says the car's not running. You're the mechanics. You do a diagnostic.
We diagnosed what he asked us to diagnose.
No. What do you mean? You mean if I walk into a doctor and I have a cold, but I'm also bleeding from my arm, and I go in and I say, could you give me a cold remedy? The doctor says, sure, I think that you should take a Tamiflu. And you leave. He said, well, you sue him later because you lose your arm. And he said, she didn't ask me to look at my arm. She just said she had a cold. Well, it was visible. My arm was bleeding. It was severely injured.
Yes, ma'am.
So you're just the mechanic. You put on blinders and you said, I'm looking just at the transmission, and you told Mr. Smith that it needed a new transmission in February, and you told him what it would be, and Mr. Smith said to you, forget it, and you said, I could probably resell this car. And how much did you pay Mr. Smith for the car?
We paid it.
See where I'm going with you?
Yes.
Good, because it gets harder.